Whoa, whoa, whoa. Iye. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Heavy news. This is John in Nezena Ibuzugbe Baba. So, Baba, Nezena, you have succeeded to bring Idudolo Ibuzugbe to justice. Baba, Nezena Ibuzugbe, you have succeeded to bring Idudolo Ibuzugbe to justice. Eramenogi, Eminojowe wo Nezena Ibuzugbe. Breaking news. Have you got community? Breaking news. Have you got community? If you know say you buy land from anybody there, if you know say you buy land from anybody there, now I want to tell you, the son of the soil, they have give you a breaking news. Brother, sister, anybody that buy land, where we know say it's not a genuine, they have come. The time have come for the word to answer. The Baba God have answered children prayer. Breaking news. Anybody that buy land from Avigo community, Orion or local government, Edo State, let me tell you right now, right away, the son of Inezena Ibuzugbe have declared the evildoer, the cabal, the evil that destroy the family of Inezena Ibuzugbe, they have go down this afternoon. They have go down this afternoon. You go see my waiting and right there say, some people think say they not go die. Nezena, Evonijewe wo baba, uzomo na zigo ne ulewe bore no gumero we mi ya. Nezena nerame. Wesi Nezena nerame. Yeme ne grace. Grace ni yeme no woke Nezena Ibuzugbe. Wesi emi ni waye wewu. Wa wesi. Nana mewe wana yeti bini edidolo gbuwa di nemi wana yeti tididolo we agbona oge. Breaking news. Number 3 wish in Oriomo local government Avigo community Oriomo local government area. Number 3 wish in Oriomo local government. You have go down this afternoon. Number 3 dead wish. Not all the good wish. The good wish. Agbon ama wari aye. Wayopa wa oma wa. Idudolo. Ogyobo no kwa no yebo mu Italia. No yebo mu Bejonia. Since 1980s. Breaking news. Idudolo Ibuzugbe owu. Ono pe no wi alagbon tin. Ono gbomobo, ono gbomowe, ono gbigele, ono gbiyoga, ono gbovira, ono gboviye, ono gbiviye, ono gbo odafiviye. That is the man that kissed on the dead. He said it in my presence. Owunenia. Always is Uriyo boyo vi egbere. Idolo. A monomatic be. They want to carry your profile where you take destroy. Your children want to answer court of justice. Police in ya money we have ya. Pera boma. Francis na you see few some so well. You are not the Air Force man. When you see few woman license women not back. Now based on a 2 go when I go get boy ni eternity ya ni we boy go ya fefe ni akwan we boy na say you go be okane. Eru wa no see me ya. no gbelo mo bo omo we va ruda we owa gwe friend the girl of ya me gwe friend the girl 60 something to 70 years eru waga ya be to 80 years we 30 abi 17 years boy gwe si mi pe gwe si mi ko na gbo ti wu ti o ma se ye we iye negresi wese unata sisi madova we idudolo ibe do bere a o eneze na ni ye me ni rame. My brother, my sister, the PFM member, I'm happy. The son of Inezana Ibizugbe from Orion local government, Aviogo is happy. All the entire good Avigo people, they are happy. Okpanowa Avigo ya fe. With a zen with a bow, you was in Yerame or Virabi. Okberame dinemi. Ogbiye me dinemi. Ogbelo mo bob mo bowe no gwe gwa dinemi. Omo na gwe gwa khere kaka. Ogune. Ivie a video day. A video day. A video day. Do dollar. The dollar wegu. The dollar. A proof we are all. Oh, you were mene a mofi vegenia a proof of a prepare yana via gomene. Now I don't prepare everything. Ya te story a mofi, but ye tayaka help because his father was a bad condition. He's from Muson. Ye te story of a family of women, a family ya fair. Or Tuesday, I tell me the old people in media not challenging me anywhere. Was here on me because why? A family you go from the start to the end, and today I not go tell now, but today I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. The happiness I have in my life, in my mirror there, because why? Oh. It just is in Magbina your rene. Nezenan Ibizugbe, Uwesi. Uwesi si madowa we. Iya obegbe ya obege anybody not here do dollar. No, my brother, I cannot speak English. My sister, please, I don't want to speak English. This is issue between family, but when the incident will come up, by the time I make a video on it, the rightful video, even there is a big movie on it. This is physical, spiritual attack. Right since over, let me just say, 99. No, what it be 99? 91, 92. Now one man I destroy family. The man have died today. That is the only English when I want to speak. And the man senior my papa, senior my mama. The man, he get many children for Europe. All the children are human trafficking, they do for them. Now they even carry me come up for her, gog me for Mali. After they gog me for Mali, I can spend 8 years for Morocco roots. I don't know, say me now exile, now go strong as Moses go exile. From there, the dream see the papa na really dead way. You understand? Not be saying I shoot bed. For my family, now make me the term of it. So kind of say, if you say person they fly, guy, you're flying a small thing. This man is in one of the Lucifer. When we say man, Ide Orion. This man is in one of the greater Lucifer when not make Orion better. Now he senior my father, the same father, the same mother. His name is Ibizugbe. Edudolo Ibizugbe. Is a dead wish. Kill my papa, kill my mama, kill all my youth, all my have you go community youth or local government. He kill any youth way challenge them. Anyone we talk to his children self. If bodies our guests for Europe, bus No, now only 2. Because I know a lot of children are making human traffic. There is a proof. The man picture ya vie picture la dia. Ogia zena kwa. Iye go wa we bogi mama ya shino bumi tali. Eru wa no ga we bogi wa vi go no pe wo ogu ididolo ibizugbe ogu. Ogia zena ga ona doli vie yo na ri ona gbeli vi abi go ya fe. Kenoro wa kenori si ona gbele ya. Didolo. Ogwe fo. Ori agbon na. No bio ibesa di wa kin didolo. No bio. Ọmọ ni ado emi ba we gbe gu adi agbon na didolo. Idudolo so abo we gbe gu adi agbon na ekejurie dudolo. No bi bizugbe ekeji oriye. Asenwe penu wu na ri asenwe gu. Mati gbe me ulo meri agboa. Ulo eteme yari agboa. Uda wije me gu egun we la ogugu. Ewa agbeli vi otiyen. Una agbeli yeme. Na kuye mo na ye poli. Iwe. Ewo ri la dian we wa gu gbomo. Iwe na vie police la dian ya kule vi ivi abi go yana kule ya ko ha. Ni amuno yesterday because of your going in. Bros. Egu wa say. Ayeba announce. I dey wait, waiting I dey wait for since then don't reach. Anybody that bella clear declaration announce, Ayeba announce, any man, any woman that where you know that you are not from Avigo, you bail out from Francis Idudolo Ibizugbe hand. You bail out from Jimo Enezana Ibizugbe hand. Yeah, your O is finished. Justice will take place. Because why? Now dead people land. And my father's land, and the oppressed people collect their lands. Upcoming, serious video is coming. Not be today, not be this case when I get so there is it go past many years. If you do dollar ya fefe, we bon na ma waye, it justice wayari. Italy, e ba me case wayari to. E ba me buwari Italy tawe ruwa agune. For more than 16 years, we were with mafia well lately there. If France has paid level, you have for my lately because why? Who are you? When we born me post go wa Italia. Why? Ne Francis if Johnny no be $2 post go wa Italy. E monu wa muria. Ewo no bon la there media do test ne kwayate testigo. In the way against war. I know many of my fans. Attitude ewa gbe fini kwere. Ewa bun ekun. Ewa we no san le window for Italy. Wa ma onu e wa viola Italy wa gbe since 1996 till 2005-6 even to 2010 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 before buy market o tie boa. If $2 or wune. Number 3 wish on Orion or local government area. Avigo community. Ogi aseda wu. Ogbera mo na gbiye me. Ona gbe tete me ya fe viera mo na gbele ya we because era me bi mo no wan say evien. Because you see me era mo viera bi ye. Ogi ase video they come. Better video they come. It not be 50. Better video it they come not be 50. Iya mwitali di yakwe ya ye bog mwitali yakwe. Wawa kole baba ye yamwe lire. Gwa onwevo ni ya bog condemn. Uwaso we mani if na lie me television go that man village. Have you go community? Go see that man back around them. You go see and say man. All the guys where they Europe where children carry, where not pay. Even both the one where pay, they hook their life for that house. Sorry, that house. Have you got community youths not fair born house, but the computer make it. The year where they born now that year now kitchen $2 woo. $2 tell woo. We make justice. We make justice in $2. Ugune owere e Francis owere Francis we no make justice owere Johnny Dudolo we no make justice owe ni deba era Dudolo ya ye police muni via vi go ya fe be ravi ve Francis ye police if you some so where e ya fe e boy ya fe no wa mu Italia wa ya fe no ye Italia e case over wana wa e case over wana eruwa gune no penu wa for many years ona gbele bi era ya na tukun gba wana gbele ya ona gbera mo na gbiye me ona gbo ten mo na gbo bi era mo na gbo bi ye me ama gba me ti gbo bi ye me because ye me no kwata ma we ugario pavo iya blog away ya fe onu wu mi o e from Obozo best to wega. Oh my get down mo because he me BSA more than 6 near Kawagbele we not see me make it on media make it on media. Those are $2 woo. $2 woo. $2. Woo did man $2 woo. I mean no beer. No beer. Uminu do ya tem no do wa gbona $2. No beer. Uminu ya tem no do wa gbona $2. Ugari agbona. Uminu ya tem no do wa gbona. Menu lo se wa gbona so lo bo na ja gbona na go gbe ko nu we adi agbona $2. Uminu ya tem no do wa gbona $2. I bet you. Jay. But we say Grace ni yeme, nezena ni rame. Nezena no bi bizugbe. Grace no wo ke nezena no bi bizugbe. Wa gbe ne $2 fo ame no gbe wa. Wa ma ge le motinu wa ya oveno motinu gbe rame, motinu gbe yeme. January 1st, January 24th. Now you have died January 19th. $2 awefo. E John no bi $2 e keshi boede. Working one lela unless you were when that our woman where we are woo. A Francis no be $2 who we are woolele. Because why? When they do we woman here. A me ya fe no ya low no ya belly monti. He $2 umalag monti for $2 umalag monti $2 ibizugbe umalag monti una gbelo tun egbelo mo bo gbelo mo wo avigo ya. I hereby declare anybody that buy land from Jimo, I'm coming for that full video. That full video. Anybody that buy land from Jimo, from Avigo community, Orion local government, your is finished. Who give Jimo power? After I kill Jimo Papa, I can't give Jimo power. He don't die. You don't die. That land where you collect for in Nezana picking a children's hands. Now, you don't set. Even though you plant coconut, even though you build austere put, even though you build multi-organ puts, I hereby declare where the owner must take it back. Nezana have killed that man. $2 utewu $2 utewu uwe toy uwe you pay mo do $2 una gbo vera na gbo bijue una gbo mo bo avigo una gbo egbe no bera avigo una gbegbe no biye una gbele you tavigo ya for $2 uwe toy beneza na you popo ku we dey gbo a beneza na you popo ku we dey a video de benia uwune when you were not telling you bomuria. Niga akpe iwe. Erameo, we bogumeo, imavieseo. Gwe, meriti bizugbe, meriti, eyansa bizugbe. Friday no jinu biele bin and ore Canada. Aben ore UK. No wuwe no pe. Eyansa bizugbe. Bizugbo bira. Meriti mamanya civitali. Ulepa eruwa gune uye sina ibuwade tamoto Francis o tono de jimo ya kin e wo tenese na no kin Waewe e video na ne gbera eberi ha meriti biusugbe emeriti ọmọ náà wé mi ṣe mi sọ mi o ọmọ náà wé mi dẹ̀ mi dán mi ọmọ náà wé mi èyí $2 wú $2 wà bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi nà gbẹ̀wẹ̀ ní débàwẹ̀ kẹ́nu fiancé nà kéya wà bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi ní yẹ̀yà dùn. I give you 92 years. Without running a Havana wo banner, the Grenadian Hospital. Bera me vi ye me ya yupopo gbo egini ba wo so la diyan yan na o ya wo Havana ne. Ne se na kunye kian o e grace we ne se na de ba awon ya kunye kian o ya gbin yen wa o ya wo ge Havana ne. O ya wo ge Havana. $2 wu o malagbon ti. Why you tabi go $2? Ọwọ́ apẹ́ inú ẹ̀. Ọwọ́ $2 apẹ́ inú ẹ̀ sọlọ́bọ̀ kásì why you tabi go re. $2 ugu we Grenadian Hospital. $2 we Grenadian Hospital. $2 umati uja America re na we to aguna. Ina we wasia. The last one o ise na. Eye no gbera we. Emotu no gbera me. Emotu no gbiye me. Emotu no wu $2 era me popo yana wu gbera emotu ni. You killed my mother 24th January 2017. You killed my father 5th January 2012. Now you die 2019 January 2019. You not pass there. Wolo. Where? $2. Asewe. $2. Umayatik babaseki. $2 umayatik babaseki. Ugbera na ugbije. Una gbele evira. No unira. Una gbele ya. No avio na vio. No avio na vio. Una re epa ya ore neze na ibizugbe. Una ya ki utono. Una ya ki mfe. Wage epa ya we. Ugune na. Owo ikpe enu e. Because ogi oba ogi $2 ibizugbe. Ogi oba ogi. Have you go? I hereby declare. Agamu $2 yo to have you go? Iye ri ojo we have you go? Have you go? Wa pagbe ransi. E mamanya sini ya mi ire mamanya sini ya mu ya mami ye we mi no pa. Meni ya mu ire mamanya si seri wo e bo itale. Ere li re. I have your guess in the flat, I have your lot flat, I have your lot to have your flat. I have your geru wa agbe lukun ye gba agbe le boye egbe. No gidi go nu wa ne wa we baba ire ni ma se. Wa nwe ku figbe. Many guess no condemn me vitally. $2 ibizu gbo condemn ya. Because if ye in river. Ide for Morio. Have you go community? Ojo we yawu. For Morio, have you go community ojo we wu. Bad PDP. Evil PDP. Or PDP okpa maya. They tell me PDP okpa like dame. Ogiazen. Also, we can want oki oso. We want day. Oki oso. $2. No vi bizugbe. Oriomo, have you go? $2 no vi bizugbe. Oriomo, have you go? Ogiazen. Owu. Worry emina gwa. Emire. Ivi ya fefe no ye bo mudiana we bo Canada we ya fefe ipampo awawa. Emeriti bizugbe. Don't ever answer emeriti bizugbe again. Emeriti $2. $2. We do waya gbegbe ni. Keno gun ya fefe keno enegbe ya wana era na ye bo gbele ya. Ona gbeli bi na me we a police officer. DPO police era we awera moka abiodin ojo no won anado yesuku e doni no wo no vi do ide emi ya fefe nu tala nu ya rovia me rovia era me vije me begbe Morocco Easy be kere de ni ra wune na e merit ide nu e me ne we va de no de agbon we pe ma we merit me ni ra ya avigo wanite ba era di attorney e Francisi ugboni gi se vi we wona o sisi we gi don Francisi no be $2 o sisi we gi don Francisi no be $2 o sisi we gi don Francisi no be $2 o sisi we gi don o sisi nu ya fi so am se no be oyin gboma osunde e gi don era wune have you go share this video have you go wari o with $2 awa baya no ya sidi have you go koto no ma egbe no hun mi ne ya fefefe wari o wa ya bo le ya kwa wari o with $2 iye ka sa ge so 2003 abi 2002 iye e wona ka gbe lo yo treva e no ma egbiye me e $2 wu ite wu $2 ite we to alagbon ti $2 no vi bizugbe ugbe na eje na bizugbe ugba wo kan re grace na eje na bizugbe ugbe benadi e benade na eje na bizugbe ugba bela beso no ma me ole gita ugba drew na eje na bizugbe amenu magbele una do ri ejimo no ti fiancé na bo una do ri ekegbe una ya lu enike ya lu vie grace ya Jimo owe wa de e manu ki o tera me na owe wa de Jimo e pichi we wa we ya dalo de ya ne Adogban on love you go have you go community Adogban on la o azen opope wu ne o Adogban on la o ide video de ara gyo bo ara gyo sun ivie e maya ni aye bo muri abo Italy better video de ara gyo bo ara gyo sun ivie $2 ibizugbe no ro have go community no ro dio we have go community aye ba declare uga yo ikwe ogi bano okay even no ma devil even no ma devil o tabi gome even no ma devil te ye koriamo even no ma devil e mani have go pare boluwu o te ye koriamo ya any oko no friend 80 years or friend a guess no friend 16 years 17 years oye bo mu yare a de we kon $2 oye bo de ya oko no ri ise me a video day network day na ahwe ya vie picture eladian kiye ki vie ni gbota bi oba una tita mi $2 we ego ese gori ase ne baba wana si egbe ni $2 lori ase very o $2 no be neze no be bizugbe baba wana si egbe na lori ase very o e ba wa tie mu ori agbe no ke tie mu ori agbe ne $2 gbe la vi gofo ogbeli bi rodo mo no ma ya fo e ba ya no gwi vi ejoni $2 bizugbe challenge azori omo kasele to mo gbele ya ege PDP Peter $2 ugu umati $2 menu ya si wani ebo ya pegu e ke boke ya iwe amu boke we bore ya pegewe ugu $2 na wu $2 we na wu $2 na wu ha urewu aso mana dia ke won te de ke tumo sinire fo so no mana dia ke me ni doge wewe menu we gbese betera me makwera me wi ma won no vi do yo bone no fe because why if you wear me a face eneze na ibizugbe ma si egbe awela lai obi me mo deal with o vera me vi je me no si so gbe me na wa gbon yan gbere mi iye me na ya de bai ọkàn yé mẹ okay jeme allo honi be na lo dudolo egewe se egewe fona o cause we wuna uzie mu egwe ike emue ozigo we dudolo Johnny dudolo we lu se ijeme o uso ma no gbori ohun kebo ke ya fefefe uso ma no gbori ohun opa be lain bo uso ma no gbo Avigo community warrior mo local government Edo State Nigeria opa lain bo dudolo ugu hospital igbinedi o uwe ra mi je me popo ku we kian ugu wa fana dudolo ugu idenu video de we dudolo malagboti awo owefo owefo ne o saba yan ge ti we mi no pa sisu we ne eriyan no gi ase ni ya fefe dudolo we wu ne azan o ya bi go paro mo bokun mo we ro no we gbe iwu dudolo was the last person not close to the death of Avigo community youths and the elders enike awato no matter gbewo eya ato dudolo na wu a video de ayeba declare wa Dr. Obejimo Avigo community okay no very soon a case day wale uwa Dr. Ebe Francis dudolo ibizugbe Avigo community a case day wale ebo Francis ebo paro nu ayi o wonu ke we boy gbo bi okan no woni kele lu ayi o aya pali papera woni ko gi hu wa ipapera ya fefe ya enroa iya wu lo ko ni Francis weti webo Francis weti webo we de ra webo se na dudolo no bi bizugbo maguni ya Francis ina la lo Avigo ya fe ona lo ti o ko lo ya fe ona lu iku ona lu omo bola nu omo we etwe e money aki 96 violeta li afefe a party oberuwe awaye party we ya uzo oberuwe na ka me na me part we so 150,000 pounds otore from Italy e dudolo no bi biso gbe na ye boleya awe gbe post ya Italy wa madam we go me o ebo mu go na me egeli re ebo mo na me ekesi de baba idudolo ri awari adegbe ne waketi e baba uware de betie 2012 ogbo e baba neje na ibizugbe idudolo ibizugbe gbo e ona gbiye me 2017 grace neje na ibizugbe si 99 ona ka wa gbo terminal dion Bernard DPO Agodi police station Ibadan na sa for wonu da ye school gera mo ka Abiodion ibi ra me ya won afora me bipi pe obi la sago awa sago no do vie mo e ya to gbegbe oge vitale awa sago ya no biele e ya bele na wo ya vi en wa na wo ya to gbegbe oge vitale aye he orene e motu nu gbera me no gbiye mo ma le mo ti ni dudolo o ma cross e wa una gele we inejena oyai onwa ke we gbe bi no ka onwa ke we wa gbon ota ma mo bi ra me bi ye me da se ni we wa ise bi no wa gbe lo mo bo gbe lo mo we wo Avigo no pe bo na the next una face ra me wo gbo meva upa na e youth Avigo na do mwera iwo wo ya na gwo una ya ze kalo we ma wu o we Francis na mo se ga do na fi o same se no we ye gbo ma obi osunde ona fi ogwe Francis e kesi de irago ne ban saikis ipape na ngwe awu mi age Francis ipape na unless wa wu u ka wa wu understand because why if you ra me yan wu lo ni ra gbele ugbe abe wu ejo ni abe wu emeriti awu You understand? Udime wu no kabo wewe bo. Didolo ni tamawe. Ni tamagbon. Unwe mo nu gbera me. Nu gbe na ise na ibizu gbe. Bodo Avigo community Orion local government. Benin City, Edo State. Ni come on ugbe, una gbe Bernard. Bernard, a big officer. Una gbe, whether one be up Dion, you can't be up Dion because we was him here. Una gbe JB, the first picture mechanic in Edo State. Una gbe, opasakon baga, una gbe. My senior brother, Bernard Ibizugbe, he was a DP officer. I got the police station. Unagba Bella Beso. A basement of Robinson Old School. Also, when I say like one that on your mammy bass. Your mammy music. What drew move away? Hey, Dudolo. Uno. Dudolo no. Hey, Igewe ode tu wa fana imae e ko mere gugune. Ina hagewe. En Francis ina lero di dawo kan iye doto no no kan bie va no vie va no bie ne. Doni oni obi vie va ma wana go wana celebrate. Wo gbo tun gbe to ye ne gbele vie ya to ye ne. Una gbe JB Ibizugbe. JB na Ibizugbe. Una gbe Bernard, big officer man. Una gbe Bernard na Ibizugbe. Una gba Bella Beso. E basement re Robinson. E no je una gba Andrew. Una gbe no agbe je, una gbe yen. O do gbera me, do gbije me. Jolo kesiwe. Iwe ya bo yan fio ene. Uwune. Upa nani ya. Dudolo. Dead wish informer. Dudolo. Dead wish who. Dead wish informer who a video where Dokpa 5 months na ya with video where Dudolo. This 2019 a video where ya waya. Okay where. A documentary ya do gbene yin ya yen kin waya ya chi bi waya go gi me you we for many egbo for 8 years who wa pay me ego ikata me na what ye me because if from our family or ye we 8 years inu ya mu we egbo you pay me who wa pay me o ga yo bo me wa mu me la wa be na yo bo me ru da we wa mama waya yete na me yeti yeme wana vivie pa wa emeriti mi ya me gu egun ya mi no wo kini nse na ni mi just me gu egun agbon we gbe yo wa e Facebook wa me no waya lo nse na be grace Louis wa pay damages if $80 wa amwegbe kuwa ki joga eru wa wunu ni wa amwegbe wa ya pay damages in wa condemn bibi obe nezena obe grace BVN wa condemn the bam wa mi let me use English if you are $80 Ibizugbe grandson your grandfather have died now like a fowl. My father have killed him in the Ogbinedion Hospital in Benin, Edo State. Because why? My father is the same father, the same mother with $80 in Nezena. My father's name is Ibizugbe in Nezena. Your father killed my mother. Your grandfather. You are in UK. I know a lot of them are in UK. A lot of them is America. A lot of them is Canada. The prostitute one that shed themselves everywhere. I know where they die. I get on a picture here. Now maybe master template. If you're not paid damages, una cost to Nezena Ibizugbe. Una cost to a grace in Nezena Ibizugbe. Una they put me for 8 years for Morocco roots. Die like a fowl. $2. Uwu na oviede. You don't have valued. Amuwe utavigo. Didolo. Amuwe utavigo. Egbe bizugbe ugele mwe yare agboa. No gwa ogele gbele yare. Owo uwe no unde ni ati ejon edudolo ni. Owo ni unde ni buede. Owa elapa. Benu ya mume go samudi ameno ya webunu. Duda de make na go no tun no pedo awo ni Samuel ejon no vi dudolo. Ekesu wayade. Ekesu wayade. Where? Ekenu we alle kesi se oviogwe ayugu nya odafi ayugo nya oviogwe ayugu nya e John a picture where the Lord you turn Francis a picture where the Lord you unless a destroy a property no one mean say na from the start to the end our return ya give here obvious no man gbe no wari no wa mi o anu wa return again say na because why when I return a Jimon on Vira on Vision on your return a bay. Betemia Koto Kego Utoma Bon Wamio a happiness in Nivieri and Nivia in the Webu. He has said the one Belia. Now Osuwagbe Eruwa Wune. Ijuwa, especially si my swan rate. Ye twain. You are a specialist. Even why you go say no. As you are here, have lo teta kezi. Akpola ya yo sigbe. You are isu aka afera one of the points in all ya go hospital. A John no $2. Who give you a car? You know ya so a motor vehicle. You get a car. I told you points in 1999. I told you points in the hospital. You were not with a specialist. I told you points in it. Era near Obe hospital Igbinedio, Vedo State. Nera me Yemeya, you put back in hospital Nuamuari. Obe Wune. And Nezana Episode by you put Bene. Now, a Kesuwagi Rena. A damages. What damage the family Lezenae, Vienezenae. Ibizugbe. Francisi, Udime, Atoni, Johnny, $2. No we emerite Sicilia, no $2. No we Yamia, no $2. Anybody know your Baba way, ya police munerame. Wo kwebu vera gboma 2003, a kesire, a power pay damages. Everyone were born one on law in Oriomo local government. Meriti Bizugbe, Oyare Facebook. Our name is Meriti Bizugbe on Facebook. I will bring all of their picture. Our father is a great which he killed my father. I killed a lot of youth in my community. Now, the community youth tried to bring our father to justice. Now, one of his brother break out. They shoot my brother leg, my cousin leg. Now they kill my father, they kill my mother. You understand? Now the man, they have died today. Meriti Bizugbe, $2 nera, or wunevena. Imi and 1 minute zena ni mivie. Inezana yak bupopo eranya, hospital Igbinedio. A grace in Yeme yak bupopo eranya. Hospital Igbinedio. E nezana yagbupo eranya hospital Igbinedio. E grace ni yeme yagbupo eranya hospital Igbinedio. E na me yeme wana segbe no yo do say go e very oye gbo ke yewu. E ra gbon se abere bebe ti won ni ewu last. E o sati ato de dagu na ni. Won pa gu $2. Agbori ni ewu re gbe ire. Ugami agbono ma were gbe are anybody no be o ogun ba be $2 no be nation na $2 no be Bizugbe from Oriomo local government. Have you go community from Oriomo local government? The way where you take kill my father, kill my mother, kill my brothers and sisters, where you kill my uncles, then kill my kids on the third. $2 were gbe agbono ma. agbona mio ene pero do wo ka agbona uwe gbe ide dollar uwe gbe ide age mu we otavi goni dollar me no ba se ki o ya senwe mati gbe me for many years uwune o succeed ra mo succeed ye betera me succeed we to succeed we iye me na grace succeed we to succeed we dollar ya tami yan e mo ya fefe nu gbele wa bigo uteka uwe de zena ku we kia o e grace ku we kia o awun wa ku we kia o a ku we kia o ya ku hospital gbinediun pavana wa te ye wa gbon me nu ri ase $2 no vi bizugbe ori omo Avigo community wa te ye wa gbon Francis gewe ni ha Francis no vi bizugbe no vi $2 gewe ni ha ege we say no we have any cow in evil forest ni rari ori Francis we osisi we ridon understand osisi we ridon Francis we they married to when I police akwo when I police Francis won that shall never end $2 na wu $2 malagbon tin iwe an ro Italy ni mu Italy dia where a week gay unless when you are a video na network wa disturb na gwe carry stand the video na this one have picture wala dia na week na month na because why in wa ipe yo tone a video wa on video wa life story e kidera do Avigo e ha te yo tone openi kegbon e desert ni wa se mi ayi kegbon e kegbe story ogera $2 uwu $2 no wu gbelomo ba fo Avigo gbelomo we fo ugbelomo ba fo Avigo gbelomo we fo $2 no wu $2 malagbon tin emerit na we emerit wa iwu ene merit wa ri wu ene era gu ni $2 wu ogi ase number 3 ase for oriomo the bad one ase ma $2 we na wu ya amwiku ogono kwano $2 ya amwiku ogono kwano $2 ikuno kwa on the 24th year abetemene ha eya no gbele monia dia eya gogonia Avigo ya gogo wi $2 wu odio we Avigo wi odio we na gbele no mo odio we ya fefe no odio na gbele ya $2 hell aye buy announce you that buy land for Francis $2 Ibizugbe hand you that buy land for Jeff Agatise my papa don't kill him. He killed my papa 2012. $2 Ibizugbe. The audio way of Avigo community, Orion Modoka government area. The greater wish, he have died. That is the man that bring enough juju to Italy to destroy our sisters. Because our daughter, I know many of our daughter when is a big human traffic. I mean, maybe the evidence na he carry me come up for us. I know the people will carry me come up for us na she. Merit Bizugbe. No, the answer Merit Bizugbe again. Not be Bizugbe born you. Now he born your father. Your father now he kill all Bizugbe family, Bizugbe children finish. Now he kill my papa. My papa now Bizugbe son. Now your papa now he know my papa. He kill all of them finish. Eti me aso ni wu ya. Oh ya gogo wu to. Ugbelewo ya $2. Ugbelewo ya. Ugbotun e gbowera gbowiye. Ugbelivi ya fefe $2. Ugune wo wi va vana. Yo $2. Agbona wo gbe ide. Wo gbe ide $2. Ide no we video no bu. Video pa a story. $2. Video pa ya o. A story where $2 akiyon. The witchcraft in your area. Avigo community land. $2. Akiyon story we. Ide. I will torpedo your children career. Wune. We wune ni yania. Uzemwe guwe ke ose guwe because we ti la lakpa no geke. Hotel we go ahe we the dollar. When we are gbe na ise na ibisugbe. The dollar we no be na ise we no be ibisugbe. Una logo una gbele ya. Uwe no battery a ugi asemi yokorion. Iluka e uwe no battery. The dollar wune. The dollar. The dollar. Uwe pe diagbona. The way we are gbe na ise na ibisugbe. Uwe pe diagbona. John, $2 ibisugbe. Hey, I will torpedo your life. Where are your police ya? Where me vera gboma. Vera gbelo mo where. E Francis no we already $2 no we bisugbe yo si fi oma. Abi go gun when I have wala do sisi la dia. Wa we to wa protect ruwa ogi as en ruwa hin. When I protect ruwa wuna na why protect ya. I'll protect wa. Occasionally when any man protect him, man, I will fight you people, physical and spiritual. Why? Give me say your basakino. Emeriti, Sicilia. A Johnny Novi $2. Give me say, ire. Uati e boek be me. We did $2 man ati e boek be me. For more than 20 years in here, like that. Imagu, when I be maybe ye came, when I be ye maybe ye came, when I be temen, wag be down, when I be wag be ye came, wagun in here. A pichua. Thank God, mokpa be story wa have you go. The old word of be story wa. But eruwa ejeje ma waki. Mowa kawa mwela dia. Atiemene, aweru wagu. Era me vije me ga we kian bu pini di hospital. Ineza na agbiye wa o. Ona ri owo kan no low by. Owo kan ineza na no di no low. Ya gbelevi ineza na ona ri oni by. En oni na do de ba na ineza na. Ena gele gbe owu ne ni a. $2 wu ne ni a. $2 ibisugbe wu. When you Italy, you have a favorable on Italy. If you are born with Italy, one way guessing here, Mula Webo. Many. He weigh 150 pounds. He weigh Akedwa have a party owner. 150,000 pounds have your in Nigeria, have your give man, have your good community, your Oriomo. That man will use as everything and wash it for 14 days. He will return everything to Italy, to his children. Our daughter married to Bisugbe. He has married to Bisugbe Facebook. She has married to Bisugbe Facebook. With the rest. Those one can't give all those pants, all those girls go re-walk. They go pay times, still they pay times 4. The one way come with the juju come clear for your eye now. No! That one go come face them, they will come call their papa. I did Nigeria, I did their palo. They will come call their papa. The papa will come set fire. He will come kill lizard. He will come tear lizard. He will come push something for inside lizard mouth. He will come go hang. He go hang. Now he go to use alligator pepper. Every morning, he will go to worship that thing. Say, any children, where their children carry enter Europe, we say one proof stubbornness for their children. They go die. Police go destroy their life. Their messages will never stop. They will get messages. They will never. Now my present, $2. Oh, Meriti Bisugbe. Those are the header. The real header say that they bring guests to Italy. So 10 once. Ghana, Guinea, Mali. I know how many people Obuche where they carry ovie besin they go tin ye me ogoge yale lo there. Have you ever many the one with the key, the one where die for Libya, the one where die for sea. Meriti Bisugbe. Una papa don't die where they do all those sham for now. Where they care have you go youth for Orion or local government at those states, it don't die. una secret, it go open. Unless una go pay the damage, una damage in Nezena family, Nezena abusive with children. The land, the soul, the sweat, una collect from that man, and if I not pay, wamana pay every day by day for this. If or the 10 one again, who wate ya mweru wayo. Meri to bizugbe, ekedu wari aje. Iegu walimbo lekwa ne Italy, sero UK wa vie passport Italy because all school wala in Italy. I know say many of them don't run for Italy, many of them they UK. Even una children when are born for us, many they UK. I know many. Cody should not do not love grandchildren. Grandchildren, I go bring all of them name come on. I go torpedo that family. The children of it, sure. If you not pay the what damage for Nezena Bizugbe, Oriomo local government, the land, everything one has stole from her before our father kill her. Now, from generation of Idudolo to generation, I will expose you people. And I will bring the proof. First of all, Merity Bizugbe, and your name, now you take the Facebook, I get your proof as a human trafficker. I know say our battle stop him, but I get your. I know people where you condemn. You are one of the people where carry me come up for us. I know guys where you carry. I know the one we pay for you. Iyamiya. Moya fefefe nuye bo muria we bonera ugwe. Iyo mama one of Torino. Anywhere no reaje. Now, Obaseki go egwan here. Udame yome. Wa owe. E prove we ya me ya fefefe ni evie ala dia. Weti ye bogbe me lalayo. Iye gagbara se ron do omodo. E rabe ye bolu e gbara se ni ya. Ona gbi ye me is from Arase family. Betty when the time when Iyamiya. Weti ye bogbe me. E human trafficking we. E case we. E Francis yo otun o si no ya gbon no ya fi omo no yo si fi case e prove every year. Ge we the case na ka bogbe ma. Ma wo ma ko for more than 20 years, more than 15 to 20 years now. Why bet eruwa gune dudolo gune. No you wa working wado. E Nezena Bizugbe ogbene hospital Igbinedion. He have a grace in Nezena Bizugbe ogbene hospital Igbinedion. It damage yanuwa. Even 1 million Nezena Iyamiya. Umana return era. E Francis Noro oni eri ati tompitoni. E picture ni have boya arigo na gbanoma. Evidence is proof where we in mind na tie anything here who concern to erame. A picture ya download ya all day with me. A vene to ave. Wa o ne gbera emi ya fefe ni 1 million Nezena e wa return ya. Nezena gberu wane. Ogbene ne the grace ni yeme gberu wane. Bet okema wa. Ba ge mi etu tie ne ya. Be no gbef ni ne osalo boya mo fi keji ne ewe gbe diagbon na. Omo paro no bi dudolo. No do wan say ni no do wan say Bizugbe. Omo paro no bi o tavi goni. Because omo boko mo ogbe ya egbe opalo. Ogbe lo mo ogbe no de ko na gbe lo kekode. Idudolo Otion we Avigo Oriomo community. Avigo community Oriomo Edo State Benin City. I'm coming. If you not say me the case not pass here. Oh what ave maya fefefe. Iyamiya Merity Bizugbe oyare Facebook. Iyamiya Nezena Arase. Merity Bizugbe oyare ba. John Idudolo Ibizugbe. What in here? Why fefe no ye police mwera me eru wana gboma wa. Bukun wa se ra me pin wa ya gbera me. Eru wa ya gbera me. Iye eru wa gbere ne. Wa ma return me in 1 minute Nezena e. 24 hours. I give you now 3 months after una father burial. Wa ya return envy afefe no wa koto wa majumo. You understand? Now Mary Tibisugbe, now you told the Facebook, your father don't die, and I give you 3 months to 4 months. John Ejulolo Ibisugbe, your father don't die, I give you now 3 months to 4 months. Iyamiya eneze na arase. I not forget say I call arase. John, my family na arase. Even when Nezena na my family not do anything, Nezena not do this one. But Ibisugbe na Ejulolo na born Iyamiya. Na arase we be Meisha na Nezena na Maria. Na Maria na that woman na very great wish. Iyamiya. If you prove her, I will bring the evidence on it. Okay. If you are not wish, my mother and I train you. And so where you born for Italy, and my father, I give you medicine where you take born. Your father reject you, say you go Europe, go make prostitute. Now my father put you for us for more than 2 weeks. You they vomit everything. You wash all your belly. Una do miomo. Iyamiya arase. Iyamiya inezena arase. Una do miomo. Now eragi boma. Bogi belema you to gwa. Wama go you to gwa. Wa go you to gwa. Why you see hulofu? Wana hulofu. And why you see fear? Wana fear? Now wana arrest me. Only nezena no mudia no when we are miomo. Era wo miomo we aye bo efi o ane wo Italy. When I'm miomo. If you are no mira me, and you will pay for that charge. Iyamiya. 3 to 4 months. I didn't know what 3 to 4 months. Emi afefe ni wa mi vi nezena and 1 million nezena and wa ke obog yeke mi o e. Why return e? Eruwa amu e ya bigo. Because why? Ogun bano. Idudolo Ibisugbe ogun bano. Ori aye ogbomo bo ogbomo we. Ori aye. Avivi Freddy Idudolo Ibisugbe no Italy wa ave centurion since 1996. Emama bebo ya bebo. Menove do lawe bo since 2007 ya be 80 man. Ibe yet me wo waye me because e boiri e we me ya. Eri yan gbeli bi edo if have go ya fe. Ogbi bi ra me, ogbera mo gbiye mo gbobo kira me. Dudolo. Ugune te wu ege we osena. Share this video to a Dudolo family. Igbinodion hospital everyone wanna wo. Very men are wo. Akugbe hospital. Abi Ambassador hospital. Vigi men are wo. Air specialist. Air woyo. But all we on here. A bad problem re where wound and a bad problem anywhere. Now I give you message. Mary Tibisugbe, I give you now. Listen to me. I give you a message now. Just on our death, not they continue. Now you listen to me. I give you a message. John Idudolo Ibisugbe. Merit Idudolo Ibisugbe. Fred Idudolo Ibisugbe. Anthony Idudolo Ibisugbe. I give you people 4 months to return the land and what you people have collected for Nezena Ibisugbe for many years. I give you now. Mona go do na father bury. I'm not bury her for my land. Not be Avigo community now bury na father. I don't know that one have clear. Ugu Dudolo when I wo malemiti malagmoti. What one lagmoti? No batirima the bad wish ori on local government Avigo community. Edo State, Nigeria. You die. Dudolo. Ibisugbe when I go. A picture when you have your poster where they want to do your burial. Family. Una take kid that family of Ibisugbe and the family of Osunde and the family of Obasi and the family of all the family that divert to now. When I do Dudolo when I wo. Oh, Musa and Johnny Dudolo amu. wune John tietue emi ya fefe wa mi ne zena e now era wune ne wegi mera wegi meje now aseneru wa uyoto okakari agwa okakawagbe e moya neru wa gbele wo tavi go bi okoriomo hell ebere wagiyeti webo akai webo nu wana ebonu waye more than 150 years ya wakai wana ne e Johnny no vi $2 no vi bizu ibi egi me fun Francis egi me fun e Johnny egi me fun iyami egi me fun e Sisiria egi me fun ifun ya bolona eriyan wune no gbe lo ti on eri ave fefefe ona vivie legagbe e $2 na gbe livie e vi oti on na gbe lo ti on ya ona vivie legagbe na e $2 wune na ni ibe we asun awulelewe wa o ni mando seri yan wa o na vi go seri yan iwe emi ya fefefe no mi avi go emi ya fefefe no mi ne na we kori but mother told me in 1 minute na Francis agbon ma we no ma we for many years in e Johnny no vi $2 agbon ma we Francis no vi $2 agbon ma we emeriti after mama ya say million le re no mu bitale mu we Francis mu we ya agbon mama mo mama gede go panu boy do mama gede go panu boy ko mama gede go panu boy agbon emeriti no vi $2 ipisugbe idenuwa unless me and 1 minute and I go talk me ya what it on give ye oh I fan off wa last one ike we gbe sun ape video last one ike we gbe sun ape video emi and 1 mi o neze na ogberu ana na gina hospital igbine di ona ya me grace no kan now return everything why akpi vi oja why akpa vi go ja why ho to wa vi go why imi o to na vi go no ya buwa eruwa e we pe di agbon no ma $2 we pe di agbon no ma agbon re ye $2 we pe de $2 no vi na ise na no la de wori won we on je wori won no e we pe di agbon no ma penu ya gbe na ise na no vi bizugbe $2 no vi bizugbe penu ya gbe na ise na no vi bizugbe we pe era me wu ona luru mere ije me wu ona luru mere $2 uwe mi ruru lare $2 uwe mi ruru lare agbon na ogwe ewi ya fefefe nu awu agbon na bite o ya nu se agbon na nu nya e yesu nu gbe agbon na nu ya wo bu ko bun se $2 uwe mi ruru lare $2 amu e o tavigo avigo no pebo yogo ko avigo no pebo $2 wune wa yore wa gbina ye right wa avigo ori omo community avigo no pebo ori omo wa gbina ye right wa ego sena wa si vi $2 ame bet wa ya gbina wa ya oto wa ni ami wa eri aya mu Holy Ghost fire ni akaya mu Francis no vi $2 gboto akaya mu emeriti Sisiria no vi $2 Holy Ghost fire na akaya mu gboto akaya mu yami agboto akaya mu Fred no we yon dime alagbode no gaze ukabo Italy kabeya alagbode no gaze Fred no we Fred $2 bizugbe o gaze era no fiance no wune era no fiance no ogune awoson ba e wayare na we era na lu we abigo e baya e won ya fe ne ra gbele abigo e baya evie ya aladia e Johnny no vi $2 era wu hospital awu e neze na gbin ki an neze na gbere yan wo kan ne grace yan gbere opona gbele yan eva e moti na je no gbele yan eva $2 gbele yan eva e moti na $2 mala $2 le moti na e boni $2 wu for many years you no ma gbo ba se kino we neze na ibizugbe wa Ebony. She saw it $2 wound. Brother, sister. Wa doctor obe Francis. $2. Francis $2. Ibizugbe. Have you go on local government? Who are doctor. Francis yokai wuna zage ya me go we. A otoge ra. Francis imoto. Ere jimo veje. When no one do 10 na ne jimo wa ki 10 na e jimo ki Francis okin. No wa ki 10 na. More than 30 kilometers in Nezena. A Buzugbe no nya family have go ni. $2 na. Yes. E won bi kai wati ande. Azeneru wa maya ti gbe meni. Walue wati ande. Wati ande. Where emerit when you police akweri mekian. E Johnny when you police akweri mekian. Ruda we ragbe loma 2003. Francis no ani Francis wa we origi e. Eko eyiwe na ekie. Francis mama bere Francis no $2. No kin oto have go community. Era wune na obi odun we era wune. Ogias any wune. Ogias Francis where a picture where download the yaine. Where Atoni Johnny merit Iamia. The way we were at the bad way I lo have go. Ya lo la lai I pop war winning $2. I'm with $2 you tabi go. Fuck I'm where yo. Pam with $2 you tabi go. Wa be where Otavi go no gbin and if you go ni $2 my take be. No man mo expect $2 la dia. Wa get do ma expect $2. Wa na mo ekera me ba vi go. Expect $2 wa ya mo ko eneze na no one yin say ni wa ya mo ekera vi go. Wa get do expect ni ama doa. Wa eneze $2 wu. E bege adopa je mi jobi e. $2 way gbedi anybody no be o. $2 na diagbon na won mo baseki. Unwege mi Bizugbe Iyanviye. We no pe ni di asebe. Be gbe mo ya diagbon na e ti ade $2. Abi go. Oto no wayige mama ya shi abo. No wayige adagbin mere ya abo wa ke ya mweru wayo. I will declare to Avigo community no man. If you have go yani ma, no jikwi $2. Avigo ya si owe. If you have go no ma, no bi $2. E ma ya fefe $2 gbe ya fefe. E ya ATM. If you have go no man or no, it might make a video. I'm come and make a declaration. But video na e was one. Declaration, breaking news, voice of justice. Breaking news. A man that senior a father of Voice of Justice that killed the father of Voice of Justice, killed our mother, Voice of Justice mother. Now the man have died today, this afternoon. Bloody light this afternoon. He killed my father January 2012. He killed my mother January 2017. Now he have died 2000. The general breaking news announcement will come out. And we announce any Avigo citizen, the good citizen that go to $2 burial, Avigo community or local government is going to die by motor accidents. The land of ancestors, the elders that Adama are key for them not to challenge him through when he was on John way of Avigo. Those are elders. They are waiting for now for the junction. Before you come to my village, that is cemetery junction. They are waiting for now. If na village they want go bury am, I'm not sure say they will carry and go down my village. Because why? His children, frustrated children, when he gets they build house for Benin. I believe they want bury and put. As I bury my mother for my house for Benin. You understand? $2. We diagbon. Arun pa we gbe bio. Ibiera me bije me. Ya go me ro yan igidigba. Ya tama me yan bo me do pope yan gbe. Una gbele yan ikweku. Yan go me ro ewebo. $2 we gbe diagbon. Ya mi yan era me na ri okun nu ya be. O ya be so sa. Umeti beer for Italy. We are boy ya fiwane. Mafi Italy ne. Ihamia. Ira menari yukunu. Umak mo berame ma we nokpa. Ukaik mo berame. Una do iragi boma. Ari gwa. Una vie. E police le lotwen. Wa ya arresti rame. Wa arresti jeme. Wana kole ya kwe. E wutopia. Yana ya azozo. Rame bi yeme na ya azozo kia. Ike travel ne. Ya ke do atieto. Me ye sedo e police ye huli e yutabi go kian be joso wona go we po me anto wa vise sevion o me la ke be gani we e gani ya change me ya honti we 2004-5 o ba ne ade ma woni bi pa wa yo ni ra wo ne o wo ne e dodolo e dodolo e bisugbe odun we ori yokorion oro avigo no pewo ogbele bi avigo yafo Ira egose monsieur wela di paseki no bi nese na ipisugbe we merit ofo a Fred Central a picture where ya go me I will deal with you people unless emi ya fe nu wa mi if ye nese na we return here wa mana return here because where I'm winning when I know that is the last message I will give.